Alright, project of the day. So this is my second flag that's broken, and I'm getting tired of buying these Chinese ones and having to replace them every other day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill out the part that broke off, and then I'm going to drop this down and drill 2 holes in the side and put in some screws just to lock it in place. I'm hoping that's going to work, at least for the time being. If not, I'm going to then do like a stainless steel rod and make my pole that way. So here goes. All right, gotta go up one more size and then it should fit. Yep, one more size. Like a glove. Moment of truth. Did I get the right size? Oh, look at that. Perfect. All right. Let's see how far that's sitting in there. Sitting in there pretty well. So I'm going to mark it and then drill 1 screw right in the side here. Alright, I've already drilled the pilot hole, so now I'm going to go up 1 more size. It'd help if my drill bit wasn't so dull. So I couldn't find the right size drill bit, so I had to go to one that was 18 feet long. Don't like using these, but it's the best I got. Nice and easy though with the right drill bit that's sharp. Alright. Perfect. Now I just gotta thread it and then I'll be good to go. Alright, finishing up the flag here. I went ahead, I drilled this out with a 21 drill bit, and then I did a 1032 tap. From there I just went to Home Depot and picked up a Allen set screw, which is one of these. I put that in, and I'm hoping that now that I've gotten rid of the inside threads and it's just you know, a rod, that it's not going to snap off like it was before, and we'll see if it lasts. Anyways, I will see you guys later.